Welcome to a Happy Hips special edition. We're going to demonstrate some of the moves that make your hips feel good if you happen to be pregnant. So the first one we're going to do is downward dog position. Nice and easy, tuck your toes, and then you're gonna lift your butt up in the air. And instead of walking our downward dog, we're just gonna gently march with our feet, bringing our heel down towards the floor, getting those hamstrings to move. Looks great. Make sure you're breathing through all of this. And we're gonna do 20 and just feel those hamstrings pull and release, pull and release. Let's do 5 more each side. Wonderful. Then we're gonna get into an ape squat, also called a goddess squat. And you can use a yoga block to help you get into this. Or you can use a couple of pillows. And you're gonna get your legs nice and wide and just sink into that block. Really feel that release on your inner thighs. And just hold this position. This should feel comfortable. If it's pinchy at all, you can also grab a wall or a pole and move your hips up a little bit higher. Just breathe into this, again, not holding our breath, feeling that block supporting our pelvic floor. And wonderful. Now we're gonna get into a lizard pose, and we'll bring one leg up forward and the other one back with our knee down. And then we're going to use the blocks here and put our knee over our ankle. And then we're gonna take our left hand and do a little bit of a twist. So move the left hand up towards the ceiling. Perfect, and back. And then you don't have to go as high. So we're gonna do 10 times this side. And nothing should hurt. So if the back leg feels like it's too intense, you bring the knee up a little bit higher. So this is a great bang for your buck. We're getting our hip flexor to open up, our inner thigh to open up, and our mid back to open up. Great, quick and easy little stretch you can do to make your body feel awesome. Let's do 2 more twists here. Great, and then we're gonna switch legs and repeat on the other side. So the leg comes up forward and then out to the side just a little bit to get that inner thigh feeling good. And we're gonna repeat on the other side. So doing that nice twist, keeping our pelvis forward and really reaching from the mid-back. And again, nothing should be causing any sort of discomfort or pain. We should just be feeling a nice stretch. If you do feel any pain or discomfort, you're gonna wanna bring your legs in a little bit closer to each other so it doesn't bother you. Getting your mid-back to open up is extremely important to get your body to feel good. We'll do 3 more on this side. Great. Then we're gonna try to do sciatic scoops. So we're gonna stand up at the top of our mat, and we're gonna see if we can walk and put our heel down and lift our toes up towards our head, and then reach down. Good. And then repeat on the other side. If it feels too much to bend over, we can just bend down just a little bit, or we can sit on a box and just kick our legs out in front of us. Good, and then we'll just repeat and come back the other side of the mat. This helps move a nerve that goes down the back of your leg that can tend to get irritated when we're pregnant and putting more pressure on that nerve. So this helps loosen it up, glide it, and make it feel nice and great. Then we're gonna do side lunges. So again, we don't want to feel any pinching movement, so you're gonna make your legs into a V, and it should only be as wide as you feel comfortable. And then you're gonna lean and go towards one leg and back to the other. Again, you might want to start really high and with your legs pretty narrow when you're first doing these, because you don't want to cause any pressure in your pubic bone or in your hips. Again, we just want to feel our muscles moving, getting good blood flow and opening up. We're doing 10 each side, and then as we get more comfortable, we can certainly sink a little bit lower. And if these are too hard, we can always hold on to a wall and use the wall to help us stay upright. Let's do one more each side. Great. Okay, the last exercise we're gonna do in this Happy Hips program are bear sits. So we're gonna get onto the floor nice and easy. Good. And you can use your hands to help support you. You're gonna keep your legs as wide as you feel comfortable. And then we're just gonna windshield wiper our legs back and forth. Just like this. Feel some nice rotation in our hips and our pelvis. And again, not pushing into any sort of pain. And we're gonna just do 10 each side, breathing as we do this, using our hands to help support us. If this is too intense sitting down, you can also do this just sitting on a nice surface and moving your legs in and out. Let's do 2 more on each side. You're doing great. Now you've just made your whole body, your whole hips, your whole pelvis feel amazing. Your baby's gonna feel amazing. Wonderful. So that's Happy Hips. Especially if you're pregnant or can't do Happy Hips 1, this is a great routine of exercises for you to do. Please always consult with your physical therapist if these exercises are right for you. And for more information, please visit our website at innerdynamicspt.com.